Macaroni, and today we're making a classic recipe. Now some persons use it as a side dish, some persons use it as a salad, other persons use it as a part of fast food. What am I making? You guessed it, we're making the classic macaroni salad. So delicious. So let's go over the ingredients. We have some elbow macaroni, about 2 cups. We have 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now I always use a high quality sturdy mayonnaise when I'm making macaroni salad. And the colors of the rainbow, we have our sweet peppers, half of a sweet pepper red, half of a sweet pepper yellow, and 1/4 of a sweet pepper green, chopped finely. We have 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 large carrot grated, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now, if you have regular white vinegar, you can use that. 1 bunch of parsley chopped nice and fresh, and half of a small onion. Now, we don't want to have too much onion because we're using it raw, so just a half of a small onion chopped really finely. Half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 hard-boiled eggs for garnish. Now this is optional. If you don't want to use eggs, you don't have to. First step is to cook the macaroni. So we have our pot on now. We're going to make sure it is boiling vigorously. Then I'm going to add a generous amount of salt. We're going to make it tasting like the salt of the sea. So once we have it well salted, we're going to add our macaronis and allow it to cook until it's al dente, or until it's firm to the bite. You don't want it to be too soft and too mushy. We just want it to be al dente. That should usually take about 8 to 10 minutes. And once that's done, our macaroni will be ready to put our salad together. Now, while our macaroni is boiling, we're going to go ahead and prepare the dressing. So we're going to add everything together to a large bowl. Well, everything except the eggs.
Now that the macaroni is done, I'm gonna drain it in a large colander, remove all of that excess water. Then I'm gonna put it to run under some cool running water to stop the cooking process.
Our macaroni salad is almost done. We have our elbows cooked. We have our dressing ready, so we're gonna mix it all together. It smells really good. Remember, we're not gonna have our macaroni cooked until it's really soft. It's gonna cook al dente. So once we have them all in there, then we're gonna just mix it all together. You want to see all the beautiful colors coming through: the orange from the carrot, the green, the yellow, and the red sweet pepper just peeping coming through. And the final touch will be to add our chopped hard-boiled eggs and a bit of fresh parsley. And then our macaroni salad will be done. We're gonna add our hard-boiled eggs. So once you've added it, remember, we're gonna be gentle now as we toss it. Gentle. And a sprig of parsley. Just scatter it all over. It looks beautiful. Now at this stage, you can test it just to see if it has the right amount of salt and pepper. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test just to be sure I have the right amount. Then we're done. This looks delicious, colorful and bright. The lovely green, the red, the orange. I can't wait to taste this. I wanna get all of it on here, or as much as I can. Let's taste. As I expected, so delicious. And one extra tip for you: the addition of the vinegar will help remove that sharp bite that you will get from raw onions. So make sure you add your vinegar to cut back on that bite so the onions are nice and subtle. macaroni salad, now you need to try it. If you enjoyed this macaroni salad video, I want you to look over here, see some of my other videos, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.